Hello guys and welcome back. So today I've prepared a few posts and I will go through them and I will just let them here and you can make up your own mind about what to think about this. And it's somewhat interesting that we get some bullish news right now, and we have to try to interpret it, especially if you are trading on a short term, like you're not accumulating for the alt season and you're just looking to trade for a few more months. But also it's important if you're accumulating. However, it's a good range to accumulate whatever will happen now. And the first post is from Bitcoin Hopium, and they say BlackRock and other ETF just snagged 69.1 worth million of Bitcoin. And the buying frenzy is real. Now, of course, they will buy at a discount. The question is, will they keep accumulating, and what will happen? But if they are accumulating, of course, we are in the bottom range right now. And let's check the next post. So, BlackRock CEO once said live on CNBC, "I'm very bullish on Bitcoin. Leverage has vanished out and stability has improved." This man controls a company with over 14 trillion in assets. He definitely knows something. And the thing is, if the leverage has vanished, if you have a lot of money, you don't want people to have a lot of leverage on your assets. Like if someone is just buying with a 10-20x and you're buying after him on spot, that's the loss is on you, because he will just 10x his money and dump on you. So of course, if you are a stable company, you don't want an asset to be too leveraged. You want it to be more stable. That this one makes perfect sense. And yeah, of course, basically it's normal. It's normal. You don't want to buy when someone else is leveraging before you, especially with a lot of leverage. Yeah, it just makes sense, and you have to. It's normal. So, Crypto Rover says, "Sorry, Bitcoin holders, this relief rally may not last much longer. Bitcoin is approaching the short-term holder realized price, a key resistance level. During bear markets, historically, rallies struggle to move far beyond this point. As a short-term holder, often sell once they reach break even. Selling pressure could intensify soon." Yeah, however, it's not a huge selling pressure. That's a bit, maybe a small drop, but that's not a big deal. But if you're trading for a short period of time, you should be careful about this, of course. Yeah. So let's go to the next one, which is also from Bitcoin Hopium. Eric Trump just dropped a bombshell. He claims the floodgates are opening and the Bitcoin is set to skyrocket to 1 million. I saw this kind of predictions in the last cycle: 300,000, 500,000, 250,000. It stopped to 126, and now it's going to be 1,500,000, and I think it will stop around 200 or 300,000 in the next rally. That's my take: 200 to 300,000. So let's just go to the next one, which is a bit closer to reality, and he says 400,000 in 2026. I know that's far from reality. I don't think in 2026 will happen. From 2027 beyond, it might. Even in 2027 it might, but nah, not 400,000. Maybe in 2027. However, I think it will make a new all-time high in 2026. Yeah. So he says the same chart as gold, but you know why does it have to be? It can do anything from here. If half a chart looks like you can look every chart in every year. He went back to 1972. Why? For what? What was the reason for this? You know, I simply don't believe this post. He might have some good posts, but this one is nah. It's just for the for the sake of posting. So next one is from Christian Kifoy, and he's got some predictions, right? Some of them. Now, July 27 to 31 August is his window to watch. 25% cash left to add in 2026. So basically he's saying that this is the bottom range. Here we should have a bottom. So in 3 days from now when I'm posting this, right now it's 4 days. Yeah, I think he might be right. It's like 50-50%, at least on that one. Yeah, so this next post is from CryptoTies. Bitcoin is going to 300k. Yes, I said it. Multi-month compression, clean breakout, perfect retest, professional accumulation, finishing, slow compression, violent breakout, disbelief from the crowd. This guy might be right. 300,000 is totally possible. The question is when. Every parabolic phase, every cycle, same script. Liquidity returning, institution position, retail still asleep. Of course, this guy might be right, or at least way closer to reality than some of the previous posts, especially that one with the million. And we have this one from Coin Bureau. Japan to raise rates at least 3 times this year, faster than market expectation. BOJ officials, Bank of Japan officials are now considering raising rates faster than once every 6 months, as the weak yen fuels inflation. Yeah, that's so it's the weakest level since 1986. I don't know what to say about this. I think it's bad for the market, of course, but are we priced in? Does this matter more than other things on the market, more than other graphs, other institutions, other countries? I think this is something that matters, but not as much as other things, and it might already be priced in. Yeah, however, let me know what you guys think, and yeah, see you with the next one. I hope you enjoyed.